He's right there in the fucking skateboard. You see him?
Hello,
there's a guy with a gun here in the apartment complex.
What's
I need
the address?
a cop over here.
Just go.
What's that address? What's that address?
20 Prairie Street,
Prairie Street.
California, 91331.
20 Perry?
20 Prairie.
Prairie. Okay, where is he in the apartment complex right now?
Yeah, he is.
Skateboard around the parking lot of the apartment complex.
And he pointed the gun to us.
He pointed the gun at us, and we still see him. He's still around here. We
Okay.
just saw him running skateboard.
Okay, hold on. We're getting some officers out there. Okay, 1 second. Don't hang up. Demonstrated to AW suspect. They're now on 20 Prairie Street in the parking lot. Suspect armed with a gun pointed at the PR. It's code 3 incident 3875 RD1772. Stand by for additional.
Possible suspect on the west side walk, northbound Corbin from Prairie, approaching Plummer.
What sidewalk? Northwest?
Alright, 903, you passed him. And 803. He's going to be crossing over to the east side of Corbin. Look at that. Alright, we'll make it a backup for these officers. He's not going to comply. Southbound Corbin towards Prairie on the east side, still riding the skateboard.
Air 10 is requesting.
Get on the ground! Josh, get on the ground! Get on the ground! Spread your fucking feet! Spread your feet!
Put your arms out to the side! Don't move!
Keep coming. Make a right. 95, make a right. Alright, go to the next opening. Behind that building, go to the next
Don't move! Go back! You're gonna get shot! Don't fucking move!
Go east. Make a right there. Drive. Make a right. Right there. And then go to the...
Put your hand out where we can see it!
Put your hands out to the
Don't
side!
move!
You're gonna hold there. You're gonna use your flag.
Don't fucking move! You're gonna be shot!
You'll see the officers just off your left side.
Stay still on the ground!
Sufficient units only. I'll call it Prairie, or correction, Corbin, north of Prairie on the east side.
Sufficient units only, Corbin, north of Prairie on the east side.
I got it.
We're on the ground.
Why is it bleeding?